Member of Parliament for South East St. Catherine, Robert Miller, has joined the call to delay the planned increase in toll rates. The increased toll rates are set to be implemented on July 2, and CEO of the Toll Authority of Jamaica, Lerone Leng, says it cannot be delayed. Mr. Leng cites increased costs in maintenance and operation as reasons for the toll increase and argues that the authority cannot absorb the cost at this particular time. However, the South East St. Catherine MP has written to the Minister of Transport and Mining, Audley Shaw, asking him to intervene. He wants the highway toll agreement to be renegotiated.
The constituents are of the belief that this negotiation, this agreement that was inked way back by the then administration in 2001 has been erroneous and need to be negotiated. As a matter of fact, with my discussion with the citizens of the constituency, they are to believe that an increase at this time, rightly due every year at the first Saturday of July annually, which was inked back then, but they are of the belief at this time, because of various factors, which includes but not limited to inflation, high oil prices on the world market, and the pandemic, of course, they have to believe that at this time that there should be no increase to be granted to Trans-Jamaica Highway.